Well, the Arun Jaitley Stadium seems to be buzzing with excitement, with fans chanting Kohli, Kohli, and eagerly waiting to catch the glimpse of their cricketing superstar. Some fans revealed that they have been in queue since 4 in the morning just to watch Virat Kohli play the Ranji match. And this electrifying atmosphere reflects the unwavering love and craze for India's batting star, and of course, when it comes to the love of cricket.
Cricket, fandom and long queues, this have become almost a synonym when it comes to Indian context now. We are currently reporting from the Arun Jaitley Stadium, and you see the King Kohli, the Virat Kohli, the former Indian captain, the current Indian international cricket player, returning to Ranji after 12 years. And on that occasion, to bring the stadium alive, DDCA announced that there will be free entries. Yesterday was the first day, and today also you can see the long queue of people cheering for Kohli. The energy of this place is 8 in the morning. It's too cold. It's almost foggy. But the people you will see, the youngsters you will see are excited and thrilled, enthusiastic. Not just about the cricket, but about the kind of the platform it will bring. And we'll talk to some of the few people. कहाँ से आए हो भाई? कहाँ से आए हो?
दिल्ली।
दिल्ली कितने बजे निकले थे सुबह?
सुबह निकले हम 5 बजे।
5 बजे निकले हो, 8 बज गए। कितनी देर से यहाँ पे खड़े हैं?
2 घंटे हो गए।
2 घंटे हो गए।
मैं महाराष्ट्र से आया हूँ भाई। महाराष्ट्र
से आए हैं। कब निकले थे महाराष्ट्र?
मैं कल दोपहर में निकला था।
और सिर्फ कोहली को देखने आए हैं?
फिर कोहली को देखने आए, सिर्फ कोहली 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 का जो विकेट लेगा उसे देखने आया हूँ।
कोहली का जो विकेट लेगा। कैसा लगता है विराट कोहली? बताओ।
नैनीताल से आए हूँ स्पेशली कोहली को देखने। रात के 2 बजे से लगा लाइन में, 2 बजे से।
So you see the people coming here and celebrating. Yesterday there was almost a stampede-like situation here, but this time the authorities, the DDCA, have made the proper arrangements and proper. For now, the 2 gates are only open. It will depend on the level of crowd. It will depend on the number of people that will come up there, and they will try to make you understand that how many gates will be open. The authorities have told us the 4 and 5 gates are in contention of being open, but it depends currently on how the situation will perceive and how situation will go forward.
Well, all the crazy fans there just to catch a glimpse of King Kohli. With that, we head into a short break. The morning news continues on the other side as well.